Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about EA error code 7.1053. The error reads, EA Javelin anti-cheat encountered an error. Please restart your PC. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game, but are blocked by the anti-cheat system with error. According to our research, the error is related to the EA Javelin anti-cheat system and may be triggered by missing updates, permission issues, firewall blocks, or missing Visual C++ components. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check for Windows updates. Simply go to your PC settings and open Update and Security and select Windows Update. Then click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Then restart your PC and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then enable Run this program as administrator for both the EA app and the game. To do this, right-click on the EA app shortcut and the game.exe file and go to Properties and open the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Once done, check for the error. If the error still persists, then check your firewall settings. Make sure the EA app and the game are not blocked. You can do this by opening the firewall settings and allowing both through the firewall. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then reinstall Visual C++. Simply uninstall the current version of Microsoft Visual C++ from your PC, then download and install the latest version from the official Microsoft website. After installation, restart your PC and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then contact EA support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.